Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN vivofit Junior 3 and I'm gonna show you how to set the alarm clock or set up the alarm clock on this smartwatch. Before we start, if you want to set the alarm clock on this smartwatch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the GARMIN Junior application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we need to open the GARMIN Junior application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once the application opens, select the profile with which the watch is connected to. It's gonna be this one. And once you select the profile, tap on the settings icon. And here, select the alarms option. And as you can see right here, we can add new alarm. To do it, tap on add alarm, tap on time, and set the time on which the alarm should go off by swiping up and down on the screen. Then tap on days and select on which days the alarm should go off, and you can check or uncheck the boxes by tapping on them. And then you can go back. Next we have a set for chore, and you can tap on it and basically add chores. So basically if you add some chores, you can select specific chore to alarm to remind about the chore or something like that. Next we have the alarm text, and here you can add some custom text for the alarm. Like this. And then you can change the icon of the alarm. For example, this. And once you're done, you can tap on the check mark to save the alarm. And it will appear right here. You can turn it on or turn it off. You can tap on it to edit the alarm. You can also add new alarms. So basically you can have multiple alarms if you want to. And you can remove the alarms by tapping on one and then tapping on the lead alarm. And once you're done setting your alarms, you can go back, tap on the check mark right here in settings to save the settings. And then you need to sync the watch with your phone for the settings to apply. To do it, press and hold the side button on your watch. Keep holding it until you see the Wi-Fi icon with the numbers on it. Once you see the icon, the watch will start syncing with your phone, and once it's done, the settings will be applied and the alarms will be set on your watch. Okay, and that's how you set the alarm or alarm clock on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.